put it on your Facebook.
Hello guys, we are here in a tiny homes. They are making tiny homes in here. This one here is pretty. I love this.
Go ahead and open it up.
Let's open. Ooh,
Go
pretty.
ahead, get in.
Wow, it's pretty. I love it.
Get inside. Oh, God.
It's nice.
It got upstairs too, I think.
Yeah, there's upstairs for bed.
Take a video.
Mm.
Well, open everything, my love.
Mm-hmm. And then this one is the oven.
Do that. Do the bathroom. And put this on your Facebook.
And then this is the bathroom. Wow, it's nice. Toilet. Okay. You can put something in here. And then it is the stairs going up. And then, so this is the upstairs. You can put a bed in here. It's nice. I like it. Yay, parang ito yung bibilhin ko. Bibilhin namin. Hindi ko naman kailangan ng malaking bahay. At least ito, hindi siya gaano kalawak na lilinisan mo. Tapos ito siya, dito mo ilalagay yung fire. Diyan ilalagay. So, yes, pwede. Tapos ito, ano to dito? Ay, cabinet. Pwede pinaka-pantry. Wow. Nice. I love it. Yay, ito yung bibilhin namin. Tapos may aircon doon. I like it. Tapos ito dito, mayroon pa dito cabinet. Ay, para hindi siya mabasa yung loob. Okay. That's good. Dito yung ref. Pwede dito yung ref. Sa side na to dito. Okay. Ang ganda. Gusto ko siya guys. As in. Ayoko kasi kasing laki ng bahay ko ngayon. Sobrang tagal linisin, nakakapagod din. Okay na to. Gusto ko to siya. As in. Bye guys. Ang dami pa ditong mga houses sa labas. Yan ang mga tayo. Pero ayoko sa kanila. Mas ito yung attractive sa akin. Kasi wooden siya eh. Mas maaliwalas. Ang dami. Gumagawa sila dito ng mga bahay-bahay. Ayun o. Nagpunta kami dito para mag-inquire. Merong 150,000. Ito yata 79,000 yata to eh. Gusto ko talaga siya guys. As in I love it. Kalimutan ko pala magsara. Ang ganda. Then, there's another one there. Wooden too. Pero mas gusto ko ito siya. New color. This is a second house that I am going to look inside. And this is the price.
Just do a video on each one.
And let's go inside. So wow, smells good. Wow, nice. Look at that. And then this is the oven. I mean, where you cook. The sink. And this one right here is the mirror. And then let's see in here. Oh, okay. Dito yung bathroom. Bathroom at saka toilet. Oh, I like the inside. The inside is wooden too. Then this one here for the washing machine and dryer. And then this is the stairs going up. Oh, okay. Then there's already a bed. It's nice. Cute. Let's go down. I love it. But I more like the other one, the wooden. So guys, this is the third house. The second house was right there. So this will be the third house that I am going to look inside. So, ang ganda niya guys. Bet na bet ko sila. So, iyon yung price. Tignan natin yung inside. Let's see the inside. Wow, smells good. Look. It's also double walling. So, pretty. Then, I more love this. Parang mas gusto ko to. Meron doon sa taas bed. Then, this is where you cook. Oh, blackout. Then, yung sink. Oh, there it is. Then the restroom. Toilet. Then, the bathtub. Shower. Pretty. And then this is the room. It's nice. I love it. The bed is good. Pretty. So this is the third house. Wow, my plant. Oh, so you can remove this plant and then put a shower, I mean washing machine and dryer in there. So, okay, so this is the door, sliding door. There it is. And then this one right here is a cabinet. So this is the cabinet. Oh, okay. And the other one, oh, it's a tank. And then you can, this one right here, you can put a fridge. Yeah. I love it. I like the place. Then this is one right here is the stairs. Going going up. Oh, okay. So, kung meron, if you have visitor, okay, may bed dito. Mm-hmm. Or if you have a kid that can be done down here. Uy, may nag-open sa pinto.
Look at this one. This one's cute.
So, okay. Tapos ito naman guys, just yung house number 4. So, dito tayo mag-start. Ito yung room. Wow, ang gara-bongga. O, diba? Sige nga, pasok tayo. Meron siyang cabinet. Ayos. Tapos maglalagay ka lang dito ng kortina. Yung dito. Sa may ano. Tapos ito siya. Ano to dito? Buksan natin. Ay, pinto. Papuntang labas. Pwede ka rin maglagay ng hagdan doon. Meron siyang upuan. Tapos may mga bintana dito. Then, meron pa doong ano. Pwede mo rin lagyan ng mga stuff. Tapos meron malaking salamin. Then, tignan nyo yung mga craft nila. Ito yung, meron din cabinet ito na maliit. I think, ay hindi, oo. Pwede mo itong gawing lagayan ng kung anek-anek. And then ito yung restroom, yung CR nila. O diba, maganda. Then, ito yung toilet. Ito yung sink. Tapos merong little cabinet dito. Itong lagay yung mga tissue. Tapos ang gara ng ano, bathtub, bongga. Bonggacious. Tapos meron dito ano, labahan. Yung washing machine at saka yung dryer. So, tapos meron ditong ano na naman. Ay, lagayan ng labahan. Dito mo lalagay yung mga labahan. Ayos. Ang ganda. Gusto ko din yung ano niya. Kasi double walling. Wooden din siya. And then, dito yung sala. Yan. Oh, ha? Ayos to ah. Much better to kaysa sa apartment. Na magre-rent ka ng apartment, then hindi naman mapapasayo. Ito, mapapasayo talaga. Tapos diyan na yung ano, oven. Diyan ka magluto, diyan yung fridge. Tapos meron doon coffee maker. Teka, lapit natin. Ito yung coffee maker. Dito. Then may mga cabinets for your plates. Ang gara. Tapos dito yung lababo. At saka pwede mo na rin gawing mesa. Dito rin. Ayos. I like it. Gusto ko siya. Tapos merong couch. Super ano siya, super maaliwalas at saka gusto ko yung arrangement niya. Tapos dito pwede ka pa maglagay ng mga picture frame. If ever, kung meron. Yun pa yung mga ibang bahay sa labas. Ang ganda din. Pero ito siya $159,000. Mahal siya talaga. Pero mas bet ko yung house number 3. Kasi may room tsaka 89 lang. In just 5 years. Maano mo yun. Pa-fully paid. Gusto ko siya. Pero mas gusto ko yung house number 3. Mas cute at saka may room din. Tsaka merong siyang taas na pwedeng higaan pag meron kayong anak. O, diba? So, let's go outside. Tapos na ako. Ito yung house number 4. Ito guys, yung house number 5. Ito yun siya. Yung labas. Tapos yung presyo, $119. Then, meron siyang pinakabintana. Ayun oh. Then, let's go inside. Iwan ko lang yung tsinelas ko kasi madulo. Oh, here you are.
Come in.
It's pretty.
It is pretty, huh?
Mhm.
And look, this is very like, it's
So,
the furniture's made for
Ito yung room. May tao pala din na nag-inquire dito. So, ito yung room. Okay lang siya. I like it too. Ang bango. Ano kaya nilalagay nila mga pabango? Ito yung room. Tapos yan yung bed. Tapos ito yung stairs. Papunta. Taas. Then, yan. Pwedeng may dalawa kang kids dito. Or pwede silang tatlo. Ganun. Yan. Ang gara. Chada. Yan oh. Yung taas. Then, ano tayo sa baba? Ayun siya. Ito yung sink. Tapos ito yung CR. Yung bowl. Tapos dito mag-toothbrush. Tapos dito yung bathtub. Or yung shower. Tapos maglagay ka ng, ito siya, ano siya, closet na maliit. Cabinet. Ang gara. Tapos ito yung lutuan. So this is house number 5, guys. Yung lababo. Tapos pwede na magluto dito. Malawak pa yung sink, oh. Malaki. At saka ano siya, hindi siya cheap. Ano siya, marble. Hindi siya plastic. Then, ito yung sala. Oh. Wow. Okay. Tapos yan mga bintana ito. Tapos pwede itong mesa na to. Pwede kayo kakain dito. Dito kumain. Or this area right here. Ilalatag lang. Tapos tutupi lang siya pagkatapos kumain. Yes, I'm just vlogging. And then there is another one more right there. Parang pwede kayong maglagay doon, parang pinaka lagayan ng stock room, kumbaga. Hindi lang ako makaakyat kasi wala akong hindi pwedeng apakan yung upuan. Ang ganda, guys. So okay na to sa small family kaysa mag-rent ng apartment. Tapos ito yung mga cabinet. Bali maglalagay ka na lang ng hawakan dito. Ay, hindi mabukas kasi walang hawakan eh. Yan, okay na to. Perfect na. Yep. Pero mas gusto ko yung number 3. Yung house number 3. May room na, tsaka may room pa doon sa taas para sa baby. Ay, para sa bata. Say hi, my love. It's nice too, but I want the house number 3. So, tapos na tayo, guys. Halina't lumabas na tayo.